Today we're going to look at the difference between the present simple and the present continuous. We use both tenses to talk about the present, but we use them in different situations. Okay, let's go. We use the present simple when something happens regularly or when it describes a usual situation. We often use the present simple with words such as always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, every week, on Mondays. We use the present continuous for something that is happening now or something that is happening around the present time. But the present continuous isn't only for the exact moment. We can also use it for something happening around now or for a temporary situation. Awesome work, everybody. Well done. Try to make your own sentences using the present simple and present continuous in the comments below. Okay, bye-bye.